You are going to love the 2022 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.